All right, y'all, I came over here to play some Sahara Gold. Put $100 in. I was playing 2 cents. It did nothing. I switched it to 1 cent and I hit this. There's your $25. $25, that's 50 off the bat with the $750. I mean, that's insane for a first hit. And we've got 3 games here. Now, let's just assume that this means something big is going to happen. You've got the major at 570, you've got the minor 50, mini 10, and then of course the grand if we fill this up or whatnot. Let's see what this thing wants to do. I'm already a winner on this big time. That's quite all right. That's quite all right. For a 50-cent bet, that's why it's giving me the da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. That's awesome. Definitely doing better than those VGTs have been doing today. Insane. 70 bucks. I think I'm going to try the 2 cent now. See if that wants to do anything. Play this down to maybe 120. That was phenomenal. I mean, first hit. I wasn't recording because I was like, yeah, this may not do anything. I don't know. Come on, one more. 3 of those castle-looking things gets us a bonus game as well. 3 more, 3 more. That's insane numbers to drop. You know, I think at 130 I may drop it back down to 1 cent. Maybe that's what it likes to pay on. That's not a bad hit there. Got me some line hits keeping me alive. Well, give me another bonus round. Drop a bunch of those. Funny because theoretically, you know, the higher numbers you bet, come on, one more. The higher numbers you bet going, you know, 2 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, you're supposed to get higher balls drop. But every now and then on the little ones, it'll drop some good ones. That's darn near the best one I've had in a long while as far as just right off the bat. $225. That was insane with a couple of 750s. I'm jazzed. That would have been $20, $10, $1 there. And it acts like it wants to drop some. I'm gonna have to keep going, y'all. Ah! It's teasing the heck out of me. Teasing me, teasing me. Showing a lot of little action here. Need that bonus game. Something to... Ah. All right. 3 of these. Nope. That's a $50 drop right there. Would have been nice if it had it paired up with 5 of its other pals. I really thought I was going to get all 3 of those this time. All right, I think I am going to go ahead and go back down to the dollar. Line hits. Oh, I thought it was going to give me the others. Acted like it. It was making the noises. Do a couple quick ones here. There it is. And again, it's on the 1 cent. This thing does not like the 2 cent today, apparently. That's okay. All right, so I'm gonna go right. Oh, cool, that's what you want. Some of these have like free spins with the, this is the one I wanted though. I'll drop something big here. Drop a major. Save it, save it, save it, save it, save it. 1 spin, come on, save it. Don't leave me with these little numbers. There you go. All right, now we're starting. Now we're cooking. Show me a word. Save it, baby, save it, save it, baby, save it, save it, save it. Oh. Not near as big as the last one we had, but it is a bonus. I am so tempted to go back to 2. I know I'm a glutton for punishment, but if we can hit a big one here, maybe it'll drop some. There we go, there we go. I'm glad I did that. All right. All right, so each of those is, of course, double what it shows. So you got 2 $2 and 4 $1. Nothing huge, but hey, bonus is a bonus is a bonus. Now let's drop a word here. Minor's 100, Mini's 20. Would love that minor. All right, got one more. Let's save it. Mini, $20. There you go. Oh, let's get a minor in there to join it. Or heck, fill it up. I'm okay with that. Final spin. Save it. That's okay. That's all right. This is a good bonus. We started at $77. $32. All right. I'm going to keep playing on this one. We are up here at Choctaw Casino. Hope everybody's having a good day. It's been a good morning so far. There we go. That's 4 of them. That's a lot of extra. Okay, so that is not extra anything. Actually, on these type of machines, it's just more money. So that's $7.50. So that's basically $15 on that hit. And again, I'm going to go right because I always do. Let's see what this is. All right, so this is what it normally gives, free games with the 25 added, which they can be good or they can really stink. It can do the hold and spin as well if it drops enough, but I've had some of these that don't do jack. That's not too bad. All right, 3 more games to go here. And running down the clock here, one more. Yep. Like I said, those hold and spins, or the free games generally don't do as much as the hold and spins. But, hey, this game is game, so come on. That would have been $50 on that 25. Oh, wow. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Teasing me with that minor. All right, so now I've got to continue playing because it's wanting to pay me that minor, right? Isn't that how that works? Maybe not. Thought I was going to get the 3rd one. A couple of fast spins here. Definitely going to set my cutoff at 120. Come on. Oh, man. Ooh, this will be nice. There you go. $6 and change. Oh, if something else had been right there, that could have been really, really big. Although the line hits on this have been very, very nice, I've got to say. Come on, come on. Oh, that would have been nice. A couple of $40 minis there. I just have a feeling this thing's about to pop. I really, really do. We shall see, though, shan't we? It's keeping us around. One more. Dadgummit. All that did was serve to block the wilds. Ditto there, blocking the wilds. All right, I think I'm going to play this down to 110, but we're going to go back to the dollar, or the penny, rather. And at 110, I'll just take the money and run, say, okay, well, still up from $77 to 110. Really wished I could have shown y'all a major. Who knows, I may yet. This penny could pay me the major easy, the way it's been acting. $10, $7.50, nice numbers there. Come on, one more. $25 there. All right, y'all, I think I'm gonna take the money and run. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, we're on the 2-cent denomination. Same game. I just can't seem to let this go. Got the bonus here. We're gonna try, and we're gonna do right again, as we always do. Hold and spin, yes. That's the one I like the most. Throw some big numbers down here. Again, everything you see is doubled. Throwing some good stuff out here. $5 there. Let's drop a mini, minor, major. Save it, baby, save it. Save it, baby, save it, save it, save it. Oh. All right, nothing huge. $15. Back up to 100. Good little line hit there. And that is a good line hit. That was a really good line hit, 14 bucks. This thing just won't let me go away. Oh, look at that. 1, 2, 3. All right, we're gonna pick the right again, and what do you think the odds are that this one will be the free games this time? Let's find out. Wow! Awesome! Got it again. Nice numbers to start off with, 5, 4, and 2. Let's get some words in here. Wow, that's $15 right there on the 750. 20. Wow, this is nice. Oh my God, y'all, come on. Let's drop some numbers, or letters. Mini, minor, major, grand. 10 bucks there. Some nice sized balls dropping here. Another 10. $5. And I'll tell you, oh, there's the mini, 20 bucks. Hell yeah. Now, bring your brother minor over for $100. That's another 15 bucks there. Man, this is, on the hold and spin for this special game, this is the most I've had. Usually it gives me just a few and then kicks me out. Come on, save it, baby. That is all right. These are some great, great numbers, y'all. Dun, 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 dun. All right, let's add them up. Y'all, look at this. That is $109. There's times I'm just really glad I stay at a machine. That was on the 2 cent. We are definitely going to play 5 cent for a little bit here. See if it's got a bonus in it for us on 5 cent. I'll drop all 6. Drop all 6. I double dog dare you. Line hit there. We'll see if they if YouTube cancels this out because of the music copyright. If so, this will all be silent. Oh, I thought that was going to hit that last one. Dadgummit. Oh, by the way, on the 5 cents, the mini is 50, the minor is 250. So those two go up. Come on, baby. There we go, on the 5 cent. All right, let's see what this does. Let's see if it's a stud or a dud, shall we? All right, 15 games. That's a lot, actually, with 25 added. It's a small number of wilds, but it's a large number of free games, so that's good. Which also means we're probably going to get a lot of duds. Okay, that's a decent hit. I'd like to have had a third castle for a retrigger. Maybe we can get a 6 balls on this free play or free games. Maybe not. $14. It's funny, when you get these large number of games, a lot of times you'll get the dud. Yeah, see, that was not tremendously impressive. Oh well. Thought maybe we'd get another one there. They'd redeem themselves. Yeah, play this down to 160 here. One away there. All right, maybe 150. Tease it around like it wants to give me that drop game. But I could spend all my money here waiting for it to do that. Isn't that right? Oh, man. All right, y'all. I think I am done on this one. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in a bit.